Okay, everybody. So, welcome back. This is Ian from Mindful Marketplace. It's the 24th of December. No, it's actually January. Who knew? It's actually the 24th of January, 2023. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of something I've never done before, and I'm trying to document everything we're doing in 2023 as we build this new publishing platform, which is a community for authors, artists, people who are writing books or want to write books, teach courses, and create tiny products that make a big impact in their own lives as entrepreneurs, as well as in the wider world around us all. So essentially, this community is for folks who are writing or creating around topics that are meaningful to them: mental health, mindfulness, spiritual growth, that sort of thing is kind of our target market. And again, we have a whole bunch of books coming, these tiny books that I'm really excited about that you'll start to see in our community in the next week or two. All right. So one of the things that I want to do with this community, and again, I have no experience doing this, so I'm just kind of doing this without a net in real time, extemporaneously, is I want to create um, NFTs that not only gate or restrict content or access to parts of our community, but that also give folks in our community, especially the authors and the creators, a ownership stake in the things that we create together as a group. So a lot of our books are going to be collaborative books where we have multiple authors contributing, ideas to one book, and I want everyone to have an ownership stake in not only our platform, but also in the individual books that we release as part of this extended series. So hopefully it makes a little bit of sense. It doesn't always to me, but here we're going to now go and mint a token. So I want to create a video token. And again, I'm going to be taking something that I just created. It's a video that I created using a 90-second audio that I recorded for a bunch of makers in our community. Ostensibly this was made at the very beginning of COVID. So some of the language that you'll hear me use here sounds a little bit more, maybe dire, or sounds a little bit more uncertain than we may find ourselves today. Again, you can listen to the audio track in the video, and essentially, I'm just saying there's never been a better time to start creating, making, writing, and teaching what you know in the service of building your brand and business. I would argue that the same conditions still apply today, maybe not so much with COVID, but with other things, the sort of crash in cryptocurrency, the volatility in that, and just all of the nonsense that's going on in the wider world around us. We kind of are living in a cartoon car crash of a universe at all times. And so I think the audio track here still runs or still applies. Again, I don't mention COVID in it. It just was something that I recorded about, if you're going to be at home and you have time and you have the ability to create things that you love, do it now, because now is the time. All right. So I uploaded that audio. The picture here is actually another NFT. It's an image that I already converted into an NFT that I created using Midjourney, the AI tool for image creation, which is very cool. But the actual image for the artwork will be different. Let's see if I can find something that I like here. And again, I'm doing this in real time without a lot of forethought, simply because we'll be doing a bunch of these, and a bunch of these NFTs with different access points and all that good stuff, or different. It gives our community access to different elements within the community. So it doesn't matter if this cover image that I'm about to create isn't the quintessential image that I want to use in our community going forward, or for this particular NFT. So let me look if there's anything here that I particularly like. I don't want to waste anyone's time here. Let me take this one here. May not be a really good fit. But we're going to use it anyway. All right, so all right, let's. All right, so there you have the token description. And let's see, a collection. I'm going to assign this to a tiny book about, which is the collection that I want to actually assign this particular token to. Now I got to write the benefits and all that stuff, which is kind of a pain in the ass right now while I'm doing this live. But access, you can see some of this is actually auto-filling a little bit, which is nice. Oh, there you go. So I'm actually getting lucky here because I've done some of these for other collections. Let's see if I can find what that was. All right, so we're just going to use, there was one other VIP access. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, all right, I'm just going to use these. And you can see I've used these for other things. So that helps. All right, I'm going to make this free. I'm going to make 50 copies. There's no split. The recipient wallet is this. Royalties are going to be 0. Drop details. I'm going to publish this now. I'm not going to have a password protection. And I'm going to mint the token. All right, there you have it. So this has now been minted. As you can see, minting can take a few minutes. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. All right, let's go back to our token page because I think I can bounce out of this. This is still minting in progress, as you can see. Anyway, I'm going to come back to this in a bit, and we'll continue to cover some of the strategies that we're going to be using to build our publishing platform in 2023. By collaborating with other makers and creatives, in particular authors, because our publishing platform is a book publishing platform. But we're going to have courses and all sorts of other things, lots of cool things that I hope evolve into a fun, creative, and collaborative project with myself and other folks that I like, admire, and respect. And that includes you. So if you're interested in a copy of this NFT and to get access to our extended community of content and courses and cohorts and all the things that we're building in 2023 as a small business, I'd love for you to join us. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Thank you so much for watching. And again, I'm going to continue this series. And as we build out our platform, I'll be documenting pretty much everything in real time. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.